Today we're going to be looking at this Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5. This thing promises some real good performance with its twin tower, twin fan design. Today we're taking a look at the Dark Rock Pro 5 from Be Quiet. It's a leading CPU cooler designed for those who prioritise top-notch performance without sacrificing silence. It boasts 7 advanced heat pipes and 2 Silent Wing PWM fans. This cooler delivers excellent airflow and cooling efficiency, making it perfect for handling high-end CPUs like an Intel Core i9 and AMD Ryzen 9 series. The cooler's standout features include a special black coating that has ceramic particles to enhance heat transfer and a height-adjustable front fan ensuring compatibility with tall RAM modules and VRM coolers. It's an ideal choice for overclocked systems and high-demand workstations. The Dark Rock Pro 5 comes in a signature black box with white and orange text. The front highlights the cooler with an image, while the sides display specifications and a QR code linking to the product's website. The back of the box outlines key features and provides multiple views of the cooler. Inside, the cooler is mostly pre-assembled except for the brackets. It's packaged with foam inserts for added protection. The box also includes a black and orange manual, a screwdriver for installation, brackets for both AMD and Intel sockets, and a small packet of thermal paste. The cooler features 2 fans, and both of those fans has obviously a cable which connect into each other, sort of daisy chaining them together, so you only need to plug one into your motherboard, and this extends up to about 18 centimeters from the side of the actual cooler. There are 2 fans, one at the front and another between the heatsink towers. The Silent Wing 2 fans are designed to maximize airflow through the heatsink. Users can adjust fan speeds between quiet and performance modes, and installation is straightforward thanks to the magnetic attachments for the central fan. The cooler includes 7 heat pipes in a U-shaped configuration, extending from the base to both of the heatsink towers. The cold plate is nickel plated and compatible with liquid metal if you wish to use. This ensures optimal cooling performance. Notably, the Dark Rock Pro 5 lacks RGB lighting. It maintains a sleek, all-black aesthetic with a chrome-finished logo on the top. Installation is user-friendly, comparable to other coolers on the market from Be Quiet, ensuring easy setup for both Intel and AMD platforms. RAM clearance is not an issue with this cooler. There is potential for the front fan to obstruct your RAM or your slots, but it can be easily adjusted in height to clear any obstacles, so there should not be any issues at all. So down to testing, most of the information you need is on the screen here, but in basics we run each test 3 times to get the average. The room is climate controlled at 21.5 degrees Celsius. The only thing what changes on the machine between each test is the bit we're testing. So for example, this time we're swapping out the cooler. So on this test we're getting the average temperature while the fans are running at 50% speed. Again, the processor is running at full whack and the room temperature is 21.5 degrees Celsius. Here, with the fan set in P mode, you can see it came in at 57 degrees on average. That beat out all the other coolers, including the new Arctic Freezer 36. Unfortunately, on the quiet mode, it did fail and thermal throttle, but still on the performance mode, it's performing extremely well. So this test is basically exactly the same, but instead of getting the average temperature, we're getting the maximum temperature. Again, the fans are running at 50% speed. And as you can see here, the Be Quiet Rock Pro 5 came in at 92 degrees, which was a bit cooler than, for example, the APNX, but a little bit warmer than the Arctic Freezer lineup. So a little bit of a mix and match there. The maximum temperature is a bit higher, but average over time, it is actually quite a bit lower. Now on this next test, pretty much exactly the same as before, but this time the fans are running flat out at 100%. And as you can see here, again, the Be Quiet Rock Pro 5 beats out all the competition on P mode and actually beats out all the other competition when it's running in quiet mode. So even in quiet mode, it is performing extremely well. And this test, same again, fan speed 100%, but we're getting the maximum temperature instead of the average. And here the Be Quiet Rock Pro performs pretty well at 89 degrees or 90 degrees in the quiet mode, so not much of a difference between the two. Again, does lag behind those Arctic freezers on the maximum temperatures, but as I said, the average temperatures over the 30 minutes actually works out a lot cooler. So in this test, we're basically testing how loud the cooler is with decibel levels. The decibel levels of the room is 31 decibels, and with the P mode setting on the Dark Rock Pro 5, we got 35 decibels, which is about mid-table. Again, the fans are running at 50% speed here. And in quiet mode, it came at 32 decibels. That's barely audible above room decibel levels at 31. So that's 1 decibel difference. That performs extremely well. And in this last test, we check to see the decibel levels when the fans are set at 100%. The Dark Rock Pro 5, again in P mode, comes sort of mid-table-ish there, but in quiet mode, it beats all the competition at only 41 decibels. That is very quiet considering the fans, and that's 2 fans, and it is a very big cooler, is only running at 41 decibels. In more likelihood, you're probably not going to hear it over the rest of the components inside your machine if it is working flat out. In conclusion, the Dark Rock Pro 5 impresses with its exceptional cooling performance, seamlessly handling the most demanding CPUs with ease. Its combination of advanced heat pipes, silent fans, and efficient heat transfer technology ensures optimal operation without a huge amount of noise. Designed for easy installation and broad compatibility, it stands out for its user-friendly features and sleek design. The Dark Rock Pro 5 exceeds expectations, proving itself as a top-choice cooling solution for both overclockers and professionals. Where can you go and meet hundreds of people just like you? Strengthen existing relationships and forge new ones with vendors and distributors, and meet some of the biggest names in the industry. Where you will be able to go and see the newest tech and services that you need to make your IT business grow. And there'll be thousands of pounds worth of prizes up for grabs, and what's more, you get all that for £1. TechMax 2024 will be on the 21st of June at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. This year's event will incorporate a live tech awards with evening casino entertainment, meeting areas, demo and interactive areas, and 800 other techs just like you. So go get registered now at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.